How do you put two videos side by side in one screen on iPhone? That's what we are going to learn in this video. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and in today's video you are going to learn how to put two videos side by side in one screen using iMovie app, which is a free video editing app on your iPhone, iPad and Mac as well. So if you want to put two videos side by side in one screen on iPhone using free video editing app, then watch this video completely because now we are going to learn exactly that. So let's first download iMovie from App Store. For that, simply go to App Store and search for iMovie and download that. iMovie is completely free, so you can download it without paying anything. Alright, once iMovie is downloaded and installed on your iPhone or iPad, simply tap open and then iMovie will open. Now simply tap continue and then it will ask for permission. So continue again and allow full access. And after that, you will see this welcome screen in the iMovie app on your iPhone or iPad. And here we have to first of all create a new movie project in iMovie. For that, we have to tap on movie because we are going to create a new movie project. So tap on movie and after that, it will provide you with the options to select the media files that you want to import in iMovie project. Here you can select the video or media file that you want to put side by side, or you can simply tap on create movie and create a new movie project without importing any video or photos. Alright, now we are in iMovie editing interface and here on the top there is preview window and below that there is editing area where you will see your timeline and this is your playhead. So the first step is to add a video and import that in this iMovie project that we want to use side by side in the video. So tap on plus icon and after that you will get these various options from where you can select the video that you want to import. You can either go to photos or choose from albums, but we will tap on video and after that we will select the video from here. Let's select this one and once selected, simply tap on plus icon and that will import the video in your iMovie project. So once imported, you will see, as I previously mentioned, here is our preview window and here is our timeline and this is our playhead. And one thing you might have noticed here is that in the preview window, you will see the video is showing in square format, but we can fix that by simply tapping on the video layer here, and once you have tapped on the video layer you will see there is magnifying glass with plus icon here. So we will tap on that magnifying glass and after that you can simply pinch it to zoom like this or pinch out to zoom out like this. You can see the video is vertical, so we will resize it first. And once that is resized, we have enough space to bring another video as well side by side. So to add another video and put here side by side with this video, we will tap on plus icon again and after that we will select the video that we want to import there. So let's select this one and once selected, you will see there is a yellow border outside the video, so that is selected and after that if we tap on plus icon here, this will directly import the video and add that along with the previous video like this. You can see the two videos are kept here in the timeline along with a transition, but we don't want to do that. Instead, we want to put both of them side by side. So in that case, you have to do something different. So let's first undo this and after that, we will tap on plus icon again and select the video that we want to import again. And once selected, we won't tap on plus icon directly here. Instead, we will tap on this three dot icon that you see here and after that we will tap on the option that says split screen. So tap on split screen and this will put the two videos side by side that you can see here. So currently you can see this is not perfect right now. So we will first select the video layer and we will tap on the magnifying glass and resize this just like the previous one. Alright, once we have resized it and put the two vertical videos side by side, here you can see there is a border here, white line. So we can disable that by tapping on this line icon here that you see the third one. So tap on that and that will remove it. And after that you can also change the positioning of these two clips by tapping on this second icon. You can see this is changing its position. And once you are happy with your editing, simply tap done and then export the video by tapping this share icon and selecting the option that says save or share video. So tap on that and then tap on save video, and this video will be exported and saved to your iPhone photo gallery. So as you can see here, the two videos are playing side by side. So that is how you put two videos side by side in one screen on iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to use iMovie as a beginner, make sure you tap here to watch this video. Thanks for watching.